People would have laughed at you if you had told them a decade ago that they could study anything they wanted for free. The internet has made it easier than ever to learn just about anything you want. So with all this content and courses available, how did you know which ones to learn from and which ones actually work? Luckily for you, Crypto Clipper, we have produced a list of the 10 best and most profitable online free courses available right now. Remember that while the first step is completing any of these amazing courses, the second and possibly more important step is taking action, even if it's imperfect action. Let's dive headfirst into that list. A Shiba Inu puppy was featured in a cryptocurrency advertisement. The ad campaign was a promotion for the Dogecoin cryptocurrency, which is based off of an internet meme called Doge. The price of Dogecoin has been on the rise since this advertisement started airing and has even surpassed Bitcoin's market cap. Shiba Inu is not the most popular cryptocurrency, but it does deserve a higher place in the ranks. Shiba Inus are so cute. They are like any other meme currency with a few exceptions. Firstly, they have their own blockchain, which makes them one of the only memes to be an original cryptocurrency. Secondly, they function as a digital collectible card game where you can breed and trade your Shiba Inus for other Shibas. Thirdly, their popularity is growing quickly because people love all things related to pets and internet culture. It seems like every other day, a new cryptocurrency takes over the market. From Bitcoin to Ethereum to Litecoin, there are so many out there that it can be hard to keep up with them all. Well, what about Shiba Inu? The coin is named after the dog breed and was created by a company called Dodge-Tipbot, which previously only dealt in Dogecoin that once based on the Shiba Inu from the Doge internet meme. It looks like Shiba Inu has been around for a while now, and according to coinmarket.com, there are 129 coins in $1, so it should be closer than you think. Shiba Inu is the first digital coin to represent cryptocurrencies with a cute dog. As of now, 10,000 coins are needed to make 1 Bitcoin. This means that Shiba Inus are currently worth about 0.001 cents. One of their goals is to get Shiba Inu on an exchange so that people can trade them for other currencies. They believe this will give them a higher standing in the world of cryptos and make more people want to invest in them. The Shiba Inu price is one of the most known cryptocurrencies in the world. It is currently in 3rd place out of all the cryptocurrencies. The price of 1 Shiba Inu coin is $0.07 and with a market cap of $5,262,180 as of November 2018. The Shiba Inu price has been increasingly exponentially since it was released on July 12, 2017, and its popularity continues to grow. This could be due to the fact that it is one of the few cryptocurrencies that have a joke behind their creation, which makes them unique. Many people believe that the Shiba Inu will eventually reach over $1 in value due to this exponential growth in popularity and value over time. There has not been any definitive proof, but many people are hopeful that they will hit this goal someday soon. Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency that was created to be the first independent token from Ethereum. This token was made with a focus on scalable, fast, and secure transactions. The goal of this cryptocurrency is for it to become an everyday currency rather than just being a quick investment opportunity. There are 3 ways to predict the future value of Shiba Inu. The first is to look at the past and see what has happened in the past with Bitcoin. The second way is to look at how much demand there currently is for Shiba Inu and what shape its supply curve looks like. The third way is to use pure speculation, using logical guesses about how events may play out in the future. Cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin have been trending, but will Shiba Inus ever receive their deserved share of attention? Recently, a meme circulated on the internet in which a Shiba Inu is sitting next to a Bitcoin. The meme asked if the dog could get a higher salary than all the incompetent executives who steal money from people. If that is not enough to convince you that Shiba Inus deserve a higher place in cryptocurrency, this might be. There are currently over 86 billion Dogecoins tokens and over 15 billion Litecoin tokens. What gives these two cryptocurrencies more value is their supply limit and how many people are using it. There is an opportunity for Shiba Inu owners to step up and invest in a new cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency Bitcoin has been making headlines lately and has become a hot topic of discussion. The digital currency is growing in popularity, but what exactly is this new form of currency? What are you actually able to purchase with it? Welcome, Crypto Clipper, and today we'll be addressing the question, do you believe Shiba Inu will hit $1? Using our prediction based on previous market data. Let's get started by making assumptions. The first assumption we'll have to make is that we'll be in a bull market for the foreseeable future. A lot of these estimates could be thrown out the window if we have a bear market, because bear markets can endure for years or months and we won't see a bullish trend continue. We will estimate a bull market for the foreseeable future, but this could change if we experience a bear market. This is an assumption and one that can only be made with bear markets lasting a few years or months. Second, if it did hit $1, we would be looking at a market cap of roughly 492 trillion. But in this particular hypothesis video, we're not going to worry about market cap. Instead, we'll just answer the question of how long it would take based on prior market data. When looking at this question, the first thing we need to do is look at consolidation periods and how long they normally remain in the chart. Before we proceed, you should be aware of the next rise, as seen above. So we are looking at a launch around August in the beginning, and then it comes all the way down for this consolidation phase till May. As a result, SHIB's first consolidation phase lasted about 8 months. The second consolidation phase began at the end of May and lasted until the end of October. From here, we should expect a 5-month consolidation period. Let's go ahead and proceed to the chart. As you can see, we are now in a consolidation phase, so I will go ahead and draw a line here. We are in the midst of a consolidation period, around the time it reached this huge level of support, which was around the beginning of this year in January 2022. Now, before we address the issue of how long this consolidation phase will last, let's look at the question of how long this consolidation phase will last. Let's look at the question of how long this consolidation phase will last. Let's get started. To figure out what percentage gain there was on the second bullish run. Coming over here, we can see that we are receiving approximately 3 billion in market cap right now, and near the peak, we are seeing around 41 billion, equating to a final gain of around 1,366% on this run. So we'll take a look at the percent gain from this bull run, and we are looking at a 7-month consolidation period. If we consider the first phase of consolidation, which lasted around 8 months, and the second phase, which lasted about 5 months, we will arrive in about 5 months. In the center, let's say 7. And let's go ahead and build this graph to see where we end up. As we can see from previous market data, we can see that this will take us until July 2022. If we see a bull market start here with a projected gain, we could see the price level extend all the way up here to point 27 on that chart. So we can go ahead and create a line that will be around exactly here. So, in this context, and as previously said, this is simply based on historical market data. If a bullish trend were to resume, we would see a rally up to this point. As we know, if you achieve a top like this, you can expect a good sell-off. So the expected sell-off from a rally like this may see this return to its previous all-time highs, which are located right around here. So we might see a reversal. Sell-offs occur and only for the purpose of obtaining the correct amount of time. Will Shiba Inu hit $1? This is a question that many people have been asking themselves lately, but the answer is not so simple. Let's take a look. The peak of the sell-off occurred in October, and the downtrend did not find its bottom until January. So, based on prior statistics, we are looking at roughly 3 months of sell-off time. On top of this, there are other factors that might affect the decision, such as the timeline for recession or any other external factors that could influence Bitcoin's value. So, if we are up here and it only takes a month based on the previous run, the sell-off will take 3 months. So, starting in September, we will be running all the way through December. So that's where we will reach the bottom, which will most likely be around the prior highs, and where the new consolidation phase will begin. Now, you have understood the reasoning as well as the assumptions I'm making here. I'm going to keep stretching this out using the same idea, starting with historical market data and then moving on to future market data. Obviously, these are all hypotheticals and this is only for a well-informed audience. If we were in a bull market, we would still have to consider the fact that we are talking about a market value of $492 trillion. I'm going to watch that video right now to see what that means in the broad scheme of things when compared to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. But I'm going to take a step back. This is entirely out and you can go see what year I ended up on. So I went ahead and did the math for you. And the result was roughly this. Essentially, if we kept the same pattern and got a bull market, we would be in good shape. In the future years, we can expect a price of about 0.0027 in 2023, 0.00367 in July 2024, 5 cents in June 2025, 68 cents in May 2026, and $1 in 2027 if the bullish tendency continues. A large number of people are asking how much a shib will be worth in the future. The best way to find out would be to look at the historical data and see if there is a correlation that can be drawn between current and past prices. Do Shiba Inus deserve a higher place in cryptocurrency? It might not be too far off. The popularity of cryptocurrencies is on the rise, and so are the prices. Most cryptocurrencies have been skyrocketing in value lately, and some even think they will get to $1 eventually. One crypto that may be following suit soon is Dogecoin, which has now reached $0.01 with a market cap over $2 billion. Researcher Jameson Locke found that if we assume that the median time it takes for a new coin to reach $5 is 30 days, then the chances of any given coin being successful rises to 72%. As of today, the 2-year-old crypto is trading at $0.6382, up from its inception price of $0.01. A Shiba Inu coin can be bought at a 50% discount right now. The company promises to produce more coins than originally specified and will distribute them in a fair manner among all investors. The Shiba Inu cryptocurrency was created by a small team and is not yet popular, but they hope it will grow over time to be one of the main cryptocurrency is unstable in value. It's hard to determine what the current value of a Shiba Inu coin is because they are so new. Some people think that they could be worth $1, while others believe that they won't ever reach $1. Do you believe that Shiba Inu will hit $1? Well, if you do, you may want to invest in some now. The cryptocurrency market is an emerging market and many coins are undervalued. Shiba Inu was just added to the list of available cryptocurrencies, which means it may be worth investing in. The more people who invest, the higher the value becomes, which could result in a 1-to-1 value with US dollars. The goal of this thought experiment is to see whether or not it is possible for SHIB to hit $1. If we examine the current market data, the price of SHIB has a potential to increase significantly in the future if we extend the data out. For example, if the price of SHIB was $0.01 when this post is published, then it would only need to go up by 0.99 cents to reach $1. A large number of people are asking how much a SHIB will be worth in the future. The best way to find out would be to look at the historical data and see if there is a correlation that can be drawn between current and past prices. Keep this in mind. This is more of a thought experiment to see what the potential for SHIB would be if we were to take previous market data and extend it out to the future. It doesn't take into account market cap. This is taking into account the overall bearish-bullish sentiment of the markets. This is more of a thought experiment to see what the potential for SHIB would be if we were to take previous market data and extend it out to the future. That is it for this video, Crypto Clipper. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and if you feel like we have delivered value, please share this video with one person. That's right, just one person as a token of your appreciation for the hard work we put into making content that educates and helps you on your mission of building your own fortune. Remember, you can watch video after video, but it isn't until you actually take action that you will start to see results. See you soon.